good, not so good. Welcome on a channel, in a channel. No, it's no pit. I'm just lying under the van. It's enough warm to think about how to run the fuel line for a truma combi. Was different idea, but later on I found, so going over, or maybe not, I check again because I have to found the good place for fuel pump also. And okay, let's say we're going on the near side of the van, along down here, and we have this hose, and we go up somewhere here, so like that. No, we go along this and up. Here is the, because this is drain valve, so it can go here. It's okay. This is one option, and second option is run on the other side. But in this case, it have to go over the cut converter. It means it's hot. I have to check how it looks on the other side. It will be simpler, shorter, and shorter means better. About fuel pump, this near side is better. We can place the fuel pump here. Enough. Too many different things. I'm not pretty sure how to do it, so we have solved it in action. First I have to make a kind of order. Okay, first task is pull out this loom for metering pump, dozier pump through the seal area, through this hole which I prepared earlier. What I wanna do, I just pull out a bit of this insulation what I made over it and try to, I don't know, figure out how somehow solve this problem. I see the light in a tunnel, means somehow it's possible to do it. Okay, I feed the torch to the hole which I drilled earlier. I will try to do it from the bottom, because it should be the wire, because it's like an internal plate inside the seal with some elliptic holes. So according what I found right now, the wire should go like that. So from what I think easier will be from the bottom. Not bad. Not bad at all. Second attempt, and I see this red wire. Okie dokie. Ow! Okay. Ouch. my finger. I feel the problem in the air, cause this piece will for sure catching somewhere. Okay. Kind of problem. I don't see anything. So right now I have to fit the metering pump, but where? To tell the truth, I don't like it. This looks very, maybe it's like a damp, some noise or something, but this rubber looks very tiny and delicate. Of course it will be not such a, I don't know, to tell the truth. I don't know. Okay, let's try it as is, then later on I will think what to do with it. It can be like that, means it will be higher than step, so it's not a problem, but this flimsy rubber, and anyway I have to alter this bracket, but anyway also it will be good, can be covered from bottom. Let's try to find something different. I don't like, this rubber, I'm afraid so it will be broken quickly. Okay, I have idea. Okay, I found something different. Such a rubber. This is also for metering pump. I don't know, from Chinese heater or any other different heater, but it looks stronger. Maybe. So I will try. Maybe it fits this pump. Let's say in the case I have to replace for this old one. Who knows? But it works like that. So means I wanna fit rev nut. Maybe something different than rev nut. Okay, it looks like that. The metering pump is not tight, but it's okay. Maybe I have to chop it, this bracket, I don't know yet. Here I use the factory clips. Attach something starting from this place. It looks like that. It's along the cross member. It's going here, and the excessive wire, I pull in the cavity. Oh, it's too small. Okay, I have to find something bigger, or anyway protect these edges, the wire from the, it's not sharp, it was filed, but anyway to protect wire from line for fuel line, and just to remind why I don't make one hole for wire and fuel line, because it's a plug on the end of this wiring and I have to chop quite big hole. So because of that I pull the wiring separately, and here fill the fuel line, just to avoid too many bends, hills and downs and everything, just to prevent to create the air bubble in the airline. From what I found, here can be good place, and it's just behind this yellow Okay, so right now I wanna pull this fuel line from the bottom. Whoa, much more. Okay, like that. This is in manual is described as like a silencer, but to tell the truth, the clips for the bottom I don't know. Probably what I wanna do, I chop it in the pieces of around 30 centimeters and do clips in between, and it also will be kind of mechanical protection, let's say. I have plenty of that. It was just in a set. Time for this piece of fuel line from car tank to the metering pump. Dosierpumpe. By the way, it's always you can claim so 7 owners are in better situation, so they have access to the top of the tank from inside the van. Usually you have to lower the tank and it will be not nice. Okay. I forgot about it, but probably will be like that. Maybe not. Right now we have pipe pulled from fuel intake or future standpipe or whatever you will call it, steel metering pump with some overlaps. So next step will be fitting the standpipe. It will be not standpipe, flexi pipe, but let's say just fuel intake for this. And it's a bit messy operation, unfortunately. So first of all I wanna clean all this shit, but it will be next time.